So let me ask some basic questions. Let us try to understand things in a better way, right? So why is NoSQL popular?
Because it's non-relational, so it doesn't need like a fixed schema.
It's easier to scale the NoSQL databases.
We can store huge amount of data in it.
Right. So with the advent of big data, right? So what's the characteristics of big data? So the characteristics of big data, it's going to be volume, velocity, and variety, right? So with the advent of big data, you need to store a huge volume of data. So scalability should be there. Velocity, you need to store data that is being generated at a continuous velocity. Data that is being generated at a continuous velocity, like data streams, data from sensors, right? So next semester, data analytics course will study how to work with this streaming data, how to work with the data that is being continuously generated, how to perform some statistical operations on streaming data, right? So working with streams is an interesting topic, right? Again, the thing is that you work with heterogeneous data, right? So SQL, whatever applications we have done, we work mostly homogeneous data. You work with simple data, right? Relational data, whereas nowadays you have a lot of heterogeneous data like text data, image data, multimedia data, and so on. So to work with this big data, we need a software like NoSQL, right? So the characteristics. So what are the characteristics of NoSQL databases? Pradeep?
It's schema free.
And non-relations.
Right. So Pradeep? Pradeep? So Pradeep, you are online or you are not connected? Sai, Harini? Sai, Harini? Ananda Kumar? Ananda Kumar? So when I ask questions, I think many people, they leave the meeting. Kiran Reddy? Kiran? Kiran? Dominic? John?
Yes, sir.
So can you explain the characteristics of NoSQL data?
Yes, sir. NoSQL is mostly like non-relational, so it doesn't use tables or anything to store data. It's more like unstructured, uh, like uh, like XML. It's unstructured.
XML is semi-structured. So
Oh,
XML is
sorry.
a
Yeah.
semi-structured data. So unstructured is like a text document, right? So whatever you have in your text document, it may be an unstructured document, right? So the first feature of NoSQL